Welcome to Build Your Anatomy. In this video, I'll show you the 6 best exercises to make your back wider. The last exercise is a game changer, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Understanding your back muscles. The appearance and strength of your back are determined by several key muscle groups: the trapezius, rhomboid, teres major, teres minor, and latissimus dorsi. To achieve a symmetrical look and maintain overall health, you need to train all these muscles. Additionally, the erector spinae muscles, which run along your spine from the sacrum to the skull, are crucial for avoiding injury and ensuring good posture. Effective back training tips: perform basic and isolated exercises. Combine compound movements with isolation exercises to target specific muscles effectively. Work smoothly, without jerking. Ensure controlled movements to engage muscles properly and avoid injury. Gradually increase weight. Progressively overload your muscles, but don't compromise form and amplitude for heavier weights. Maintain a neutral spine. Always keep your spine in a neutral position to prevent injuries. Challenging sets. Select a weight that makes the last repetitions in a set challenging without compromising technique. Exercise 1. Lat Pulldown. How to perform. Sit on the bench and press your feet to the floor. Grab the handle with a straight grip, slightly wider than shoulder width. Tilt your body back slightly and fix it in this position. Lower your shoulders, squeeze your shoulder blades together, and pull the handle until it touches your chest. Smoothly return to the starting position. Variations: wide front grip. Targets the middle of the lats. Reverse grip emphasizes the lower lats. Narrow grip shifts the load to the middle back. Reps and sets. Perform 3-5 sets of 10-12 reps. Exercise 2. Seated row. How to perform. Sit on the bench and place your feet on the platform. Grab the handle, lower and straighten your shoulders. Pull the handle towards your stomach while exhaling, then return to the starting position. Benefits: works the lats, mid-trapezius, and rhomboids, making it excellent for both the upper and lower back. Reps and sets. I'll perform 3-5 sets of 10-12 reps. Exercise 3. Pull up. How to perform. Use a straight grip slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your shoulders and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Pull yourself up until your chin is level with the bar, then lower yourself down. Here are some tips. Avoid jerking or swinging. Keep your shoulder blades squeezed at the bottom point. Reps and sets. Perform 3 to 5 sets of as many reps as possible. Exercise 4. Single arm row. How to perform. Stand next to a bench and place your same side hand and knee on it. Firmly plant your other foot on the floor. Grab a dumbbell with your free hand. Keep your back flat and row the dumbbell to your side until your elbow passes your torso. Reps and sets. Perform 3 to 5 sets of 10-12 reps. Exercise 5. Deadlift. How to perform. Stand over the barbell with the bar over the laces of your shoes. Push your hips back, bend over with a straight back, and grab the bar with an overhand grip. Straighten your hip and knee joints while keeping your back straight. Bring the barbell close to your shins and lower it to the floor. Benefits: works the back extensors, glutes, and hamstrings. Reps and sets. Perform 3 to 5 sets of 6-8 reps. Exercise 6. Hyperextension. Adjust the exercise machine so your iliac crests don't touch the pillow. Place your shins behind the soft rollers and press your feet firmly against the platform. Stretch your body in one line from your feet to your head, maintaining a natural arch in your lower back. Lower yourself down and then smoothly rise to the starting position. Perform 3-5 sets of 15-20 reps. These 6 exercises will help you build a stronger, wider back while improving your posture and overall strength. Remember, consistency and proper form are key. Be sure to watch other videos on this channel for more tips and workouts. Build Your Anatomy is your go-to resource for fitness and health. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.